The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for north central Henry County in southeastern Alabama, northwestern Clay County in southwestern Georgia, southern Quitman County in southwestern Georgia until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 4:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Richards Crossroads, or 9 miles northwest of Fort Gaines, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Henry, northwestern Clay, and southern Quitman counties, including the following locations: Days Crossroads, Bonaparte's Retreat, Stanley Store, Crossroads, Double Bridges, Moore's Crossroads, Bricks Place, Garnersville, Coates, and Bagby State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county, Henry, Alabama, and the following counties, in Georgia, Clay and Quitman.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.